Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. To prime my eyes, I'm gonna use the Juvia's Place Concealer in 16 and set it with the AB8 setting powder in Deep Peach. Also, if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell and click all to be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure you click the like button on my shorts and videos, and make sure to comment because I would love to hear from you all. Next, I'm using the Beauty Bay Blush in Coral and putting that in my crease. Now I'm going to use the I Heart Revolution Fruity Highlighter in Pineapple and put that all over my lids. Next, I'm using the House of Lashes eyelash glue and the Ioni Wispy lashes. To make sure there's no gap showing where I put my lashes, I'm going to use my Sephora eye pencil, and I'm also going to use the Essence Get Big Lashes Volume Boost Mascara. Moving on to my face, I'm going to use the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Now I'm going to use the Everyday Humans Rose from Above Mineral Sunscreen. For primer, I'm using the Touch and Soul No Pore Blend Primer. For foundation, I'm going to use the Uma by Sharon C Skin Perfecting Foundation in Bronze Venus T5. Next, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut, and I'm applying this all the places I would have put my orange corrector at, y'all. I forgot to do that step, so yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and apply this as usual. And I would, normally be applying this for extra coverage, but yeah, I forgot to do that. To highlight, I'm using the Ultra Beauty Full Coverage Concealer in medium warm, and I'm just putting this all the places where the light would naturally hit my face. While that concealer is sitting, I'm going to use the Beauty Bay bronzer in Chesnut, and I'm going to use this to contour my nose and bronze other parts of my face. Now I'm using the Huda Beauty setting powder and cinnamon bun to set where I had the concealer at, and also to do reverse contouring. For my all over face powder, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation in the shade 440. For blush, I'm using the orange shade out the Juvia's Place Saharian Blush Volume 1 palette. Now I'm using the I Heart Revolution highlighter again to highlight my face. For lips, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Lip Liner in Brownie and their liquid lipstick in Bronze Maple. To set my face, I'm going to use the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed this makeup look that I did and this eyeshadow look that I did. Basically just using an affordable highlighter as an eyeshadow. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos. And also, please comment because I would love to hear from you all. Everything I use will be listed in the description box as well as on my social media handles. And I appreciate each and every one of you watching. Thank you so much. If you have any suggestions for makeup looks, please let me know so that I can do them. Anyway, thank you for watching again, and I will see you all in the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.